Today we're going to take a look at creating our Edgelight design using Microsoft Word. We're going to, on our desktop where you're going to find and launch Microsoft Word 2013, we're going to choose blank document from the main screen. The first thing we're going to do is go to the File tab, go to Save As, and we're going to select the Browse folder. I'm going to choose my H drive immediately on the left hand side, and here for my file name I'm going to type my name, you're going to type your name, and then Edgelight. So your name and Edgelight. The next thing we need to do is save, change to file type. So we're going to click the second pull down menu and we're going to change it to Word 97 2003 document, this one right here, and click Save. Next we're going to take and set our page up. So we're going to choose the Page Layout tab, choose Size from the ribbon at the top. All the way at the bottom we're going to go to More Paper Sizes. The width we're going to change to 5 inches. The height we're going to change to 5 inches. That's the size of our piece of acrylic. And we're going to set our margins next. So I'm going to click the Margins tab. All the margins we're going to change to 0. So my top margin is going to be 0, left margin is 0, bottom margin is 0, and my right margin is 0. After you have that completed, click OK. When this menu pops up, you're going to select Ignore. Next, we're going to take and go to the Insert tab, and we're going to go to Shapes, and I want to go to the Flowchart area, and I want to choose the letter D. I'm going to click and stretch out my letter D, and immediately I want to go to the top where this green little dot is. That's my rotate dot. I'm going to take and turn it so that that D shape is straight up and down. Then using the corner handles, I'm going to take and click and stretch this out so it's almost touching the top and almost touching the right hand side of my workpiece. And then my bottom left hand handle, I'm going to click and stretch this out so that it's almost touching the edge on the bottom and the left. Next, I'm going to take and put my mouse on the line of this D shape, right click, that's with your middle finger, right click, and choose Format Auto Shape. My fill area, I'm going to change the color from white to no color, and I'm going to change my line weight from 0.75 to 0. Once you have that done, click OK. And next we're ready to insert our graphic. We're going to click Insert, Picture. You're going to choose your H drive on the left hand side. Scroll all the way down until you find your logo that you want to use and click Insert. Next we're going to go to our Format tab and we're going to choose Wrap Text, and we're going to change it to In Front of Text. Bring your graphic down into your page now. Use your corner handles to size it to the size that you want. That looks pretty good. Next, I'm going to click on my background of my workpiece, and then I'm going to insert again, and I want to choose Word Art, which is entered right here. Any of these top 5 word arts you can choose. You want to have the black ones. I'm going to select this one in the middle. You can change the font if you would like by clicking here and scrolling down and changing the font. Or you could leave it the way that it is. Take and highlight this area here, and you are going to type the text that you want. After you have your text typed, then we're going to click OK. Once again, go to your Format tab, Wrap Text, and choose In Front of Text. Once you choose In Front of Text, click your text, place it onto your drawing, This little yellow triangle here will allow you to change the shape of your text if you would like. When you're finished and you're happy, click the background. We're going to enter in one more set. So we're going to insert again, choose WordArt. I'm going to choose a different one. I'm going to choose this one. Has to be from that top menu. You can change your font if you would like. Highlight this area here, and I want you to type your name. After you have your name entered in, click OK. Once again, go to the Format tab. We're going to go to Wrap Text. We're going to place this in front of text. And we're going to take your text and move it down to the bottom of your Edgelight design. Use this diamond right here in order to stretch and make it straight. And then we're going to take your handles up in the upper right hand corner and we're going to shrink this down small and place it at the bottom center of your design. Next, we're going to take and click your text, press the Shift key, hold the Shift key down, click your graphic, hold the Shift key down, don't let go of it, click your other text so that everything is selected, and then let go of the Shift key. Then we're going to come up here to the top, right here in the ribbon bar. This is in the Format Tools. There is a triangles, that's your rotate. When you click on that pull down menu, we're going to flip horizontal. That puts all of your text and your graphic backwards. That's the way we want it. Click the background. And then we're going to go to File, and we're going to go to Save, and that's going to update your changes. You now are finished with your design for your Edgelight. You are ready to cut your part on the laser engraver. Let your teacher know that you are finished and you are ready to move on.